Listen close and I'll fix your ass. Billy, fix my ass. Billy, fix my ass. Billy, fix my ass.
Who is it? Engagement photos. That didn't make any sense. Welcome to episode 2 of Billy Fix My Ass. You guys get that? I did. Why did I start the show like that? Anyways, today we're talking about engagement photos. Chris Manatouchis. Go ahead, show his name on the screen real quick. Yeah, you would have pronounced it wrong too. So Chris Manatee and his girlfriend. Oh wait, Chris looks like a girl. I said that wrong. Chris, you don't have a. Okay, this is weird. It all started bad. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to episode 2 of Billy Fix My Ads, where you submit your advertisements and I rip them a new one to make them better so you can get more customers and make more money and buy more cool stuff that you like. Today we got Chris and the girl that is a wedding photographer and she's trying to get more clients. Well, let's take a look at what she submitted. Whoosh. Calling all engaged couples. Planning a wedding can be stressful. There's so many vendors to book and so many details to plan. Gah! That's why we like to put the fun. That's how I knew she was Caucasian, right there. Yeah. That's why we like to put the fun back into wedding planning and offer a free engagement shoot to couples who haven't booked a wedding photographer yet. Come have some fun with us. Wait, pause. We like to offer a free engagement shoot to couples who haven't booked a wedding photographer yet. That's like saying, yes, we can have sex, but only after we've been dating for 6 months. I was so excited about the offer, and like, oh my God, 6 months. But here's the difference. A guy with real game says, okay, whatever you say. And then makes her fall in love, and now she's asking to have sex. This sounds aggressive. Sounds wrong. But you know what I mean, right? Like you say, nah, I can't win with this one. Respect people's boundaries. If they say 6 months, you should wait. Let me try a different analogy. Let's circle back here. Keep this in. Don't even cut it out. A different analogy. How many times have you went into a store and said you're not going to buy anything, but then you walked out with the whole damn store? Now that happens frequently. Be careful of filtering too much in your advertisement. I'm going to keep reading, then I'm going to circle back on this thought. Come have some fun with us and see if we could be the right fit for your big day. You get 2 free photos just for shooting with us, and you can buy more after the shoot if you like. Best case scenario, you'll get some beautiful photos with your future hubs, and you'll have found your wedding photographers. We have very limited spaces available for our free engagement shoots, so click the link below to sign up. I can tell you what's wrong with this advertisement without even diving into something. You guys are afraid to sell. Everything in this ad is about telling people, if you're gonna talk on the phone with us, you have to be ready to take out your credit card. The challenge with this is that the value is created after the experience. Meaning, until they have that engagement shoot with you, they have no idea if you are all that in a bag of Cheetos. They have no idea if you're nice, if you're kind, if you're warm, if your photos are going to be on point. There's no trust that's been created yet, but yet you're setting all these expectations. He doesn't even like you yet. You understand? So you're scaring them off so many times during this ad. You're saying, first of all, it almost defeats trust, because every time I got excited about something, you like ripped the joy from me with a backhanded statement. You said, that's why we like to put the fun back in wedding planning and offer a free engagement shoot. Like, oh my God, yes, a free engagement shoot. Then you're like, to couples who haven't booked a wedding photographer yet. You're like, damn, I'm gonna hire Steven, but here's the thing. Let's say they did hire somebody. After they work with you, because you're all that in a bag of Cheetos, they may say, screw the other person. And you just earned their business. Continuing on, come have some fun with us and see if it should be the right fit for your big day. You get 2 free photos. So now I was so happy about this free shoot, but now I'm like, oh, they're just gonna give me 2 photos? Like, that's weird. So now I'm already like, what the hell? These people keep taking away from me. Best case scenario, you'll get some beautiful photos with your future hubs and you'll have found your wedding photographer. Like, what? Now I have to work with these people? What if their pictures look like So I get it. From your perspective, the idea is you don't want to waste time with people who aren't serious. Well, you shouldn't be in business. And you also need to realize that there's other places inside of the funnel that you can that you can put up filters. So for example, what I would recommend is remove all of the backhanded stuff that makes me kind of feel slimy and makes it feel overly salesy. Remove it. And then after somebody gives you their name, email, and phone number, bring them to a survey to find out more about them. When are you looking to get married? What's your budget, etc. 30% of the people that come through there will actually fill out that survey. And then you can lead score based on what they say their budget is, when they're looking to get wedding, how important it is for them to have the perfect pictures. Then you can kind of filter out who you want to work with and who you're not. But this is not the place to do it. It's distasteful. In addition to this, I love because they're engagement photos, you're showing a photo. But let me tell you something, there's nothing that captures emotion like video. I don't know what effect they just did with me, but I'm gonna do it again. Nothing creates emotion like video. Why don't you give somebody, an engagement shoot and show what it's like to working with you? Because it's not just about the photos. It's about having a director and a photographer who can make you feel comfortable, who can make you feel loose. There's so many objections that somebody would have in their head, and you can answer a lot of those with a video demonstrating what it's like to work with you and getting them more excited about the opportunity that you have. If you make these simple tweaks, I promise you, your ad will perform better. And you still don't have to waste your time because you're still doing the filtering on the back end, not the front. In addition to that, I did check out your landing page. Let's go ahead and jump into the zone of genius. Whoosh. And your landing page, it says, looking for a wedding photographer? Well, look no further. Keep your ads congruent, people. The entire ad is about setting up a free engagement shoot. Once I'm at your landing page, now you're talking about looking for a wedding photographer? Well, look no further. Sorry, sweetie, I wasn't looking for a wedding photographer. I was looking for my free photos because that's what you said in your ad. So again, now I have created a non-trust situation where I just get annoyed. In addition to that, you're making me read so much. Oh my God, no. It's a paragraph, no. I got a racist joke for you. What do you call a short Mexican? A paragraph, because it wasn't long enough to be an essay. It's pretty good, right? It's racist. Hector says it's his joke. It's not. It was on Google. Continuing on here. Be careful with formatting and also in your advertisement too. Everything you're saying, there's no spaces, and when people see this, they immediately get turned off because they feel like I have to read a lot. So try using numbers, like list. Using a list, like, hey, here's 5 reasons why you should let me do your engagement for free. Then you got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. People are trained right now to read listicles. It feels easier, it's easier to digest. In addition to that, let's create some space here. A couple paragraphs, a couple things. Also too, even start the thing with pressing tab. Like move the words over. It just makes, it's a pattern interrupt. It looks different than the rest of the ads in their newsfeed. But you do the same thing on the landing page, where I just feel like there's just too much text. Also too, depending on if someone's on mobile or desktop, but this over here far to the right, where it's sign me up, let me tell you something. Nobody's excited about signing up for anything. It sounds like you're about to spam me. So let's change your call to action button. Instead of sign me up to, yes, please give me an engagement shoot for free. That's what it should read. I've given you guys enough for now. But shout out to Chris and Courtney. You guys are a lovely couple. Good looking. I told you were Caucasian. I knew it from the guy in the text. Anyways, I just fixed your ads. By the way, if you'd like us to do this more often and you'd like to be a part of a training where we do this all of the time, you should probably join the School of Mother Genius. Swipe up, swipe down. There's no swipe on this. Click a button or something. Peace.